Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the new Instagram Messenger with the new Instagram update. So basically what this is basically merging Facebook Messenger and Instagram Messenger together, allowing you to message your Facebook friends and stuff from your Instagram. So all you have to do is go over to your Instagram to get it set up. And then you want to go to the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and click on Settings. And then you see right there, it says Update Messaging. So you just want to click on that, and then it tells you right here what it adds. So you can change your chat color, react with any emoji, swipe to reply to messages, create selfie stickers, chat with friends who use Facebook, and you don't need any app to download this at all. You just got to click on Update. So you just want to click on Update when you're ready to go here. Just click on that, and then it just takes a couple seconds, and it merges the Facebook account with your Instagram account. So if you want that, you can go ahead and click on Continue, and then finish setting up. Once this is done, you want to go over to your Messenger, and then you'll be able to see the changes that's being made. So if you go up here and search for another account, like you can right here, you'll see here Facebook friends, and it'll show you all your friends on Facebook that you can go ahead and message as well. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the new Instagram Messenger. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.